weather prognosticator and meteorologist Chad Merrill with a look at the weather forecast through the first week in September. This also includes some signs of change for the early part of the fall season, as well as race forecasts for Bishop's events. We end the summer above average with temperatures, record warmth in the State College area, dry weather across central Pennsylvania, and along and east of I-81. It was mainly a wet summer, with the exception of Adams County in Pennsylvania. On Sunday, September 6th, the temperature bottomed out at 34.9 degrees at Canaan Valley. That's an elevation of 3,000 feet high in the Allegheny Mountains. So that was a sign of an early season frost in that particular location. Now, we have the tropics that are heating up. 4 areas that we are watching. This particular disturbance in the central Atlantic will provide some additional showers to the southeastern parts of the mid-Atlantic later in the week. But these 2 waves will stay well to the south and not impact the mid-Atlantic. But we have a series of waves coming off the African coast, and one of those has a better chance for providing showers and thunderstorms in the middle part of the month across the mid-Atlantic. But the significant weather for April 8th through the 13th, the drought will intensify for these couple of counties in central Pennsylvania. We also have a flash flooding risk in southeastern Virginia associated with the tropical moisture and a cold front that will be moving in from the west later in the week. Less than 1/4 inch of rain for much of the mid-Atlantic, with the exception of the I-95 corridor between Washington and Philadelphia, 1/4 to 1/2 inch of rain, most of that falling in the middle part and the end of the week. 1/2 inch to 1 inch of rain in southern Virginia, and up to 2 inches of rain in southeastern parts of Virginia. Bishop's events on Tuesday the 8th, there is a race. 5K starts at 6:30 p.m. We are looking for the humidity to make a return, temperatures in the low to mid 80s for that particular race. Next weekend, Saturday, September 12th at Fort Hunt Park in Alexandria, we are looking for partly sunny skies, low humidity for that race, temperatures in the upper 60s to near 70 degrees. But the next day will feature an increase in humidity and a good chance for a shower or 2, but nothing heavy for the 9/11 Memorial that is in Georgetown. We are looking for rather humid conditions, but overall not too bad for racing. The most comfortable day of the week will be Saturday, where dew points will be in that pleasant to comfortable range. The teleconnection patterns, this is a combination of the Arctic Oscillation, North Atlantic Oscillation, and Pacific North America pattern, are teaming up to provide occasional cold fronts that will move through the mid-Atlantic between September 20th and October 7th that will bring periodic cool spells, help the fall foliage season get underway across the Alleghenies. The Alleghenies, at least the highest elevations, will see 1 or 2 frosts during that time, and the warming between these cold fronts will be rather limited. So finally, a sign of somewhat cooler weather coming into the mid-Atlantic. If you are curious what the winter holds for the mid-Atlantic, not only do we have the detailed forecast, but we have more information in the conjectures column in the Hagerstown Town and Country Almanack, and you can find on our webpage where to purchase the almanac as well. All those details on almanack.com. Everyone, have a great week.